Meet Ria. Ria dreams of having a designer home, but doesn't think she can afford one or find one that matches her style. If only she knew about Interiors Online. Interiors Online has handpicked their team of professional interior designers with over a decade of experience. Now Ria can get her home designed with multiple layouts and 3D options at a fraction of the cost. Here's how it works. All she has to do is pick a plan for herself, enter her room's dimensions, post pictures of her space, and tell us about her style preferences. Within 48 hours, Interiors Online designers put together a completely customized concept preview for her based on Ria's design brief. She can now look at an actual 3D of the room and plan everything with utmost precision, before digging even a nail in the wall. Without even stepping out of her house, Ria now has a professionally designed room at a never-imagined cost. Interiors Online is easy to use and affordable. See our plans now and start your project today.